Welcome to Finxocapital Daily Financial News, where we bring you the latest updates from the financial markets around the world. Today is Tuesday, and here are the top market headlines. In today's stock market update, the S&P 500 ended slightly lower on Monday as AI giant Nvidia saw a dip ahead of its quarterly report. Investors are eagerly awaiting this report, which is shaping up to be the most closely watched event of the week. Nvidia's stock fell 2.25%, stirring concerns that anything short of a stellar forecast could disrupt Wall Street's rally in AI-related stocks like Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq also declined, but the Dow Jones managed to stay in the green, supported by gains from Caterpillar and American Express. Of the 11 S&P 500 sector indexes, 6 closed in the red. The information technology sector led the losses, while the energy sector jumped 1.11%, thanks to rising crude prices amid reports of oil supply disruptions in the Middle East. And in Forex news, the dollar and yen eased on Tuesday, giving back some of their safe haven gains from earlier in the week. The yen, which hit a 3-week high in the previous session, was down 0.1%, while the dollar index edged slightly lower, reflecting market expectations for US interest rate cuts. Looking ahead to European markets, investors are cautiously optimistic, with an eye on Nvidia's upcoming earnings and the ongoing tensions in the Middle East. European tech stocks could see some movement today, especially after the tech index slid 1% on Monday. Key economic data to watch this week includes the EU inflation report on Friday, which could provide more insights into the European Central Bank's policy direction. And in the US, the personal consumption expenditure data, the Fed's preferred gauge of inflation, is due on Friday, with traders closely watching for clues on the size of the expected rate cut in September. In commodity news, gold prices dipped slightly after a modest recovery in the dollar, though the market remains optimistic about upcoming US rate cuts. Spot gold was down 0.4%, while US gold futures dropped 0.5%. On the oil front, prices took a breather after surging over 7% in the last 3 sessions due to supply concerns linked to tensions in the Middle East and potential shutdowns of Libyan oil fields. That's it for today's financial roundup on Finxocapital Daily Financial News. As markets continue to navigate through economic data and geopolitical events, we'll keep you updated with the latest information. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and manage your risks wisely.